So guys, another paying platform I've landed. Yes, me and my team have just run this app and it is massively paying. You understand? This platform is a long-term platform, the way I see it. You get so if it is the first time of coming across my channel, please kindly like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be first to notify. And thank you to my subscribers and always watching my videos, liking and commenting. I really appreciate you guys. So now, if you want to get to this platform, all you have to do is to click the link on the description box area or on the comment section. Once you click the link on the comment section, it will bring you here. Once it brings you here, you click this start vote here. Then you click it will lead you to Telegram. So for you to access the platform, you must have Telegram. So you join with your Telegram. So once you join to write start, you understand the way you just see it here. The way you just see it here to write start, then you click play now. Play now, it will bring you here. Then all you have to do is to click here. Click this register here. Once you click it, you put your email, your password, repeat the same password. Then you put this invitation code here. You put the invitation code, it will be on the comment section. So it's a must you put it. Then you put this verify code. This code here, you put it here. You understand? Once you are done, you click register. Once you register, it will bring you here. You get once you register, it will bring you here. You get but before then, let me show you how you can deposit on this app. Then I'll show you how to earn on this platform. Then all you have to do is to click on this wallet down here. Click on it. Then you click recharge. I have another $10 on this site that is running that will earn me more money. You get this money I've accumulated this night. You get because this night that I'm doing this video, this is money that I have accumulated this night. So I'll show you how you can accumulate your own. Well, first of all, let's recharge. You click this recharge here. Once you click it, it will bring this address. So they only accept Web 20. I'll show you that there will be a video link, a video that will show up now. Just click it. Register on the Bybit too. I talk everything about how to deposit, how to withdraw, and how to send your USDT there. So go through it. It will be easier for you so that you know how to recharge on this platform. You get all you have to do is to copy it. Then you go to the Bybit and deposit. Minimum deposit is $10. You get so you let's go to withdraw so that you add your wallet. You click withdraw. They will ask you to put your wallet. My address wallet is here already. They'll ask you to put your wallet here. You get then you click it and add your wallet. Once you add your wallet, you click confirm. Then minimum withdrawal is $1. You get minimum withdrawal is $1, and you have access to customer care. All you have to do to get access to customer care is to click on this here. You get access to customer care. You chat them. They reply instantly. You get so once you have done depositing your money, you have minimum deposit is $10, like I said. So you come here, you see where there is arbitrage scheme here. You get then you scroll up portfolio details. Then it's already on 10 to 99 USDT. If you want to do more than that, 100 USDT, you click the here. So depending on the one you choose, if you want to do up to 300 USDT, you click here. This is how to earn on this platform. So we have two ways you can earn on this platform. This the first one is this arbitrage. You understand? This arbitrage. Oh, sorry. This arbitrage up here. You understand? So see it here. This is the first place to earn, and the second one is taking here. Sorry. This second one is staking. So let me go and unstake what I stake so that I can do this arbitrage. So I'll click here. I'll click this stock recording. Then I'll click receive income here. Confirm. Then let's go back. Let's go and stake this arbitrage. Let's go and stake this arbitrage. The first one, you write $10. Then you click submit. It's loading. It takes only some minutes to load. So the profit is distributing now. So you can see it has done trading. So next time I'll come to trade again is in next 6 hours. You can see in next 6 hours. But before then, before that 6 hours, I'll go back to this staking and stake it. This one income drop every hour. Then let's go back to staking. I will write $10 and start staking again. So it has successfully start staking to start reading every hour here. You can see it will start reading every hour here. So after that 6 hour, if I want to stake the other one, I'll click receive income and go and stake the arbitrage. You understand? So that's basically how to earn on this platform. Minimum withdrawal is $1. You understand? You can also withdraw your money, your whole money. If you don't want to trade again, you can withdraw everything. You get it's very simple. So this platform is paying. That's just it. Okay. So do well to click the link on the description box and on the comment section to join the platform to start earning. So see my withdraw on the platform here. See my withdraw. Is I've withdrawn $10. But just know that this one is fairer month than me and my team did. So that's basically it. Please, when putting put what you can afford to use. I'll not be held responsible for whatever that happened on this platform. This platform is what I'm doing now to earn my own money. So if you're joining, put what you can afford to use in case of anything. But the way I see it, it might last. You understand? So that's basically how to earn on this platform. You can join now and start earning. Though the earning is quite little, you get, but it's long promising that all this platform that is um promising high payment, but back up under 4 days. You get, so that's basically it.